What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick tutorial on how to install these bumper guards on any 65 to 68 Mustang. So when I bought it, they did not have any. As you can see here, this is the way that they do go in. The slope has to go inward towards the door. But as you can see, they do not fit very well. This rubber is way too big for the opening. So I'm going to show you a good method I found on how to do this. You're just going to need some WD-40 and an X-Acto knife or razor. You're going to trim these edges a little bit, we'll lube it up, and then should be able to slide those things right in there, and then it'll prevent the door from rattling and have a nice tight seal. So you can see the difference here. I cut these little wedges off. I just went down each side once, and you can see the difference in thickness, and then sprayed a little bit of WD on both sides, and then they'll pop right in. You can see I already did passenger door, and they just popped right in. So that's my little trick. Hope this helps anyone who's trying to figure out how to do this. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube, so figured I'd make one and help you out.